Let's try some Halloween treats. I'm looking extra spooky for our extra spooky Halloween treats that were sent to me. These treats are sent from Misaky. I've never tried them before. I'm so excited. This packaging is so cute. Thank you. I love it. They're going to be their little Halloween treatsies that they came out with. They are vegan, gluten-free, and non-additive. I love that. When they said they're vegan, I said, let's go. Oh, let's try some spooky treats. Let's see. Which one should I try? So I am thinking little witchy wonder. It's supposed to taste like kiwi, lychee, and charcoal. It is good. I like this. I'm debating on stopping so I can try little bites of each of them. But let's end it. Yum, yum, yum. I like these. They're a really nice like chew on them. Let's do this little haunted headstone. It's supposed to taste like hazelnut and vanilla. I just want it. Oh, it does smell like hazelnut. Nice. I'm getting the hazelnut. It took a minute, but I'm getting it. I like the crunch on this one. This one's extra crunchy. It's got little crunchies around it. The top of the headstone. I like that. Okay. I will get full if I try to eat all of them. Next one is going to be this Sinister Spindle. It's going to taste like strawberry and cherry. So freaking cute. I love that. This one has a nice, like, slightly sweet flavor. I like these. These are not, like, overly sweet or anything. We're going to do the pumpkin potion. And that's going to taste like pumpkin, chestnut, and peach. Y'all know I'm obsessed with pumpkin. So, we're going to find out if this is the best pumpkin. Pumpkin comes through immediately. And the peach. Pumpkin, peach. Never would have thought that was a good combo. Yum. Like a pumpkin peach coffee would be so freaking fire. Anyways, I'm getting a pumpkin peach coffee. I want to eat this little. Okay, come on. With the little pumpkin, I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Excellent. That's my favorite one so far. Next one is going to be our silver spider web. It's made with oob and coconut. I love the little coconut around the edge too. Beautiful touch. This one's thicker, so it has a really soft like consistency on the inside. Oh yeah. Yum. Yum. Thank you, Misaky, for sending me these delicious little vegan treats for me to try. Oh, this is so awesome. My favorites, I have two favorites. The first one, obviously, the pumpkin potion. The second one is the silver spider web. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. I love these treats. These are so freaking delicious. Thank you for sending me these, and I look forward to doing more tasty treats in the future.